Hello boys and girls, it's week 3 of HHH summer camp. This week we're going to make Goldfish trail mix. Our theme is Splish Splash. So this will be a fun treat while you're riding your bikes, running through the water hose, sitting by the side of the pool, or just playing around in the yard. This will be a nice treat to take with you. So our recipe is included in your packet, and in your packet you have butterscotch chips, goldfish crackers, pretzels, raisins, Honey Nut Cheerios, M&Ms, and nuts. Now if you don't like any of these ingredients, one of them, you can always take them out if you don't like it. So this is totally up to your taste what you'd like to do. And it's very easy. Your recipe says 1/3 cup of everything. So if you remember from last year, we have our measuring cup, and this is a 1/3 cup. And you just fill it up, and then you'll pour it in your bowl. But your packet should have pre-measured, so you could test it out if you want to try, but they should be pre-measured for you. We're just going to take our chips, crackers, pretzels, raisins, Cheerios, and M&Ms in a bowl. And then we're just going to stir it up. There you go. You have a wonderful snack for this summer. With all that splishing and splashing and having fun, it's time to celebrate. Let's make a birthday cake in a mug. Here's your recipe, and it says you needed flour and butter, applesauce, sugar, milk, baking powder, sprinkles, and vanilla. So we'll read our directions and start with making the butter melted. We have to put this in our microwavable cup and take it over to the microwave. All right, let's put this in the microwave for 30 seconds. Get it nice and melted. We should have melted butter, and we do. Our next directions say to mix everything except the sprinkles together in your cup. So let's get started. I'll do my flour, my baking powder, and yours is probably already mixed together. We'll let you know for sure. We need applesauce. The applesauce replaces an egg. So if you don't want to use applesauce, you can use an egg yolk for this. Sugar and milk. And our vanilla. Okay, I'm going to use a fork and just stir it around. And when I don't see any lumps, I'm ready to pour the sprinkles in. And we're just going to stir them slightly in. We are ready to go back to the microwave. All right, we're going to put these in for 60 seconds. And while this is going, I just wanted to tell you that depending on your size of your cup and your microwave, it might take less time or more time. You'll just have to keep checking it to make sure that it's done. All right, let's see how it did. You don't want it to get too overdone, but I think we could use maybe 10 more seconds. It's just a little shiny, so I'm gonna put it back in. You want to make sure that it's pulling away from the sides and the top is dry. So I think we're done. It's going to be yummy. I hope you enjoy it. I'll see you next week, and be safe. Bye.